NFC Digital Business Cards, digital contact sharing via one tap. When you're at a conference, business meeting, or even at a restaurant bar, you might not always have your business cards available when you need them. NFC tags have the ability to store contact information that can be shared via a simple tap. In this tutorial, I will use an iPhone 11 with iOS 15.5, the NFC Business Cards app available in the Apple App Store, the SmartTrack Midas Plus with 144 bytes in memory. The link to this tag is on screen now and available in the description below, a wallet or card case, and my business card. Step 1. Download a Capable NFC app. The app I'm using today is called NFC Business Card, which costs $1.99 in the Apple App Store. What sets this app apart from the competition is that this app actually encodes a URL to the NFC tag instead of trying to encode the business card information, allowing it to skip most restrictions that other apps encounter when commissioning tags for use with iOS devices. Step 2. Write the information. Once you have the app open, tap the Write NFC option at the bottom. Click Add NFC Data and click Contact, and fill it out with your business contact information. Click Save. Next, place your NFC tag to the back of your iPhone near the top center and simply click Write to Tag and wait for the confirmation. Now let's double check that it works. Exit out of the app and tap your NFC tag on the back of your iPhone. Yep, ours works perfectly. And now we can choose to save the contact information to our contacts like this. Click the send icon in the top right corner and then open it in your contacts like this and click Save. Step 3. Place the NFC tag in a convenient location. Now, in order to ensure I'll have my digital contact information ready for when I need it, I'm going to simply stick this NFC tag on my business card in my wallet just like this. Watch how easy it is to use. Thank you so much for watching this video about how to make a digital business card with an NFC tag. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel and our blog to learn more about NFC and RFID.